What's going on, YouTube? Murdercase is back here, bringing you guys another video on my beautiful Generation 2 Grand Touring Toyota Prius. Thank you for everyone that's watching these videos. Shout out to all of you. You guys are awesome. Men and women, thank you so much. But let's get straight into the video, guys. Let me buckle myself in. Look at my pasty legs. But anyways, all jokes aside, let's get this video started. Gotta watch out for these drivers around here. Look at that. That lady just ran a stop sign. That thing right there. And I got a camera on my head, so watch out. But anyways, I've been enjoying myself. Beautiful day today. Glad I can make this video for y'all. I gotta go. Please see me. Right. Oh yeah, this, she only got 100 horsepower, but trust me, if you floor it, she'll go. Anyways, it's a beautiful day today. I'm on my way to actually go do some DoorDash. Unfortunately, I have to go do this DoorDash thing because I need to make money. I'm only 20, I'm turning 21 in August. But I'm so grateful for everyone watching these videos. Thank you. Comment down below something about yourself, guys. I really want to get to know who's watching this, connect with y'all. I'm a cool guy. I think I'm a cool guy, you know, at least. I view myself as, you know, chill. And I'm so grateful, guys, honestly. I saw the love on the last YouTube video I posted with the Prius, and I did not forget about my Prius community. You guys are truly amazing. It warms my heart with all the joy you guys bring to me with the comments and the likes and stuff. It makes me know that people are, you know, out here actually enjoying my content. So thank you so much, and I'm gonna continue to give you guys some entertainment, you know, some love. Everybody needs some love, you know. Comment down below if you agree with me or not. Everybody needs some love. But guys, look at this neighbor, like, look at my drives. I really haven't taken notice, but I live in a pretty wealthy zip code. I myself don't live in like the biggest house or whatever, the bougiest house, but man, is it nice to just go down the road and just get inspired by these people. I mean, these people made it. Some of them out here, at least, I will say. Nice little, you know, scenery. I live in a suburb of DC, basically, so I'm pretty close to DC. I kind of want to do some car videos down there, just because of the, you know, it's a national monument and, you know, cool stuff like that. But man, it's gorgeous right now, guys. I mean, this spring going into summer. It's not Memorial Day weekend yet, but I believe next month it will. And I'm ready for the pool and the beach and all that, guys. I'm probably gonna do some vlogging down whenever I go to the beach, but I need the beach this summer for sure. And I just need everyone watching this, please like this video, subscribe to my channel if you've not already. It really helps me out continue making these videos. Hopefully this becomes my full-time job. I'm trying to treat it like a job, and the fact of just, you know, consistently uploading, editing my videos, getting it out to you guys. I'm glad somebody's watching it, you know. It's really demeaning when no one watches your stuff, but you know, I just crossed 75,000 views, guys, and I'm super grateful. Could not have done it without all of y'all. And I'm just enjoying this drive. This Prius is awesome, guys. I mean, go test drive a Prius if you can. Go test drive a Generation 2 Prius. Look at the gas mileage, look at the money you save. I just filled this baby up with 3 gallons, and it's like saying I have a full tank, basically. And you know what? It's not really the full tank, but I'll just let Toyota Prius tell me it's a full tank. But I mean, I can floor it, guys. I can floor it as much as I want. I can't do it. When I do that in the BMW, guys, I literally see the gas gauge going down. Like I literally see the needle as I'm flooring it. It's so much fun, don't get me wrong. It's exciting too, but it's like, gosh, I don't have the money to just throw away like that yet. Hopefully, you know, hopefully I get to that point. But I'm just you know, being me, thinking ahead. But enjoy what you got, guys. That's all I have to say. Enjoy it, be resourceful. Go chase your dreams. Go better yourself. Go work out. Go hit that girl up or whatever, man. I mean, do you guys, really. Live life, literally. I feel like people are not living their best life, honestly. I just feel it, and I'm not saying everybody, but I just feel like some of the people around here, man, I mean, they see me with the camera strapped on my head, they're going crazy. Like, they act like I'm an alien, but I'm really not. You know, I'm no different than they are. And the fact that we share the blood, same air, same water, all that. I'm kind of just ranting right now, but there's another Prius. I gotta give the thumbs up to the Prius drivers, you know. We out here. 2021, baby. Nice little development. That is completely new. That roundabout was not there when I was younger. When I first had my license, yeah, it used to be just a street. But they made that a roundabout. Uh-oh. I see that. I'm slowing down, don't worry. I think it's the BMW driver in me saying just go, 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 you know? But the BMW is down for some repairs right now. It's probably not going to be driven until I fix it. I cracked the headlight, and I need to fix that before I can start driving it around. Let me know down below if anyone's a BMW mechanic in the DC area, just so I can get some ideas. But it's been a wild ride this past couple months, guys. Wild ride, to say the least. But I mean, I hope everyone's enjoying these videos, and you know, I can bring some joy to someone's life. We're just cruising. It's a beautiful day out, that's all I have to say. 81 degrees, cloudy, so it's not too hot, but it's hot, you know. Have the windows down, it's nice. I feel like my allergies to pollen, not to get off track, but my allergies to pollen have gotten away as I've gotten older. I feel like as a kid it was miserable, but I guess my body's just used to it now. I really have no idea, but I literally see the pollen on my car. I just washed the Prius too pretty recently. Look at this. I got that on camera. That guy's got a stick up his butt. I don't know what. Oh my goodness. Yeah, you got to be careful of that around here for sure, but I've just been enjoying myself, guys, nonetheless. Can't let the hate get to you, you know? Cannot let the hate get to you. There's a lot of hate in this world. I don't know why, but just be a shining star among the sea. That's all I gotta say. It's telling me to take a left here, but like I said, guys, I was gonna go do some DoorDash. But look at this beautiful, just look at the beautiful architecture, this real estate. I mean, look at that house. It looks like a stone. Looks like they just put a bunch of stones together, called it a day. Look at that one too, pink trash can. Yeah. Wow, this man must have the setup in there. He must have like the Ferraris, and he knows what's in those garages. But I don't know where I am, guys, but like I said before, I'm gonna go do some DoorDash for these people and, you know, go make some money so I can survive. But I think I'm gonna end the video soon. But anyways, I'm so appreciative for everyone watching this, guys. It's been an awesome, you know, journey, and I continue to make everyone happy by, you know, making these vids. So just enjoy the rest of your day, whatever you're doing, night, whatever time you're watching this video. I mean, all I can say is just positive vibes and carry on. Smile and wave like that Madagascar movie with the penguins. I love you all. Thank you for you guys for supporting me, and I'm gonna catch you guys soon. Marcus is out. Peace.